This particular video is going to look at showing you the difference between the graphs of an exponential, like y equals 10 to the x, that's our exponential, or a log graph, y equals log 10 of x. So in this video, we're going to look at what the difference between these two graphs is. So if I head over to Desmos, what I've got here is an equation of y equals 10 to the x, that's in blue, and you'll notice I've got the equation of the log, and this log function is base 10. I've got y equals log of base 10 of x. Now there's something quite particular about these graphs. I wonder if anyone can see what it is, and hopefully you're seeing that they are symmetrical. I'm going to try and draw in the mirror line here for you. Let's try and draw that. So I have, if this is my line y equals x, so if this is y equals x, you can see here that one graph is a reflection of the other. So that's kind of cool to know. So when I have y equals 10 to the x, the reflection of it is going to be y equals log base 10 of x. So that is a pretty cool feature of log graphs. The other features that we want to point out, and I'm going to change colours just because I can, let's go to red, is both graphs cross in particular points, and they're related to some of the rules that we know. So this point here is the point 0, 1. So if I just hover on that for a second. So at this point here, all of our exponential graphs will go through here, because we know that when you have y equals 10 to the 0, whoops, that's supposed to be 0, that will equal 1. So it doesn't matter what equation we are looking at, when we're at x equals 0, it is going to go through this point. And then likewise, let's change colours because we can. Let's go to green for Mackay. So if I put a cross down there, we have down here the y value equaling 0. So if I've got log to base 10 of x, and I know that it equals 0, then we know this rule. We know that to get a 0, we're going to have x equal to 1. So if we just look at that, so remembering base 10, power is 0, and that equals 1. So that's why I know that it's going to go through 1. So this point here is the point 1, 0. So all log graphs for base 10 will go through that point.